Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Cisco Quick Hit video. Cisco Quick Hit videos provide you with maximum content in just a little bit of time so you can go about your busy day a little wiser. I'm Thomas Lewis, and I'm a sales systems architect with Atlanta Select here at Cisco. And today we're going to talk about Cisco DevNet. DevNet is Cisco's platform to help both developers and IT professionals write applications and develop integrations with Cisco products, include third-party products, through the use of APIs and SDKs. So when we talk about our journey through uh, developers, there's really two paths. You have your application developer and you have your infrastructure developer. An application developer is a professional who designs, creates, deploys, and updates programs for particular devices or something on the web or even things like operating system. Cisco DevNet can help empower application developers by providing insight into APIs and SDKs so that they can deploy applications quickly. And with DevNet, application developers can quickly find examples, ideas, and education to do really cool stuff like, for example, embed video calls into web apps or do things like prioritize iOS traffic. They can also provide location services to users if that was something important, or deploying apps on the edge so that they can increase performance and lower cost. They can also do things like leverage bots so that they can automate standard business processes, that and much, much more. Now, moving to the other side of the fence, we have our infrastructure developers. So, these guys or their role is really to focus on deploying and managing devices that make up your networks, like the routers and the switches, but also the devices that leverage those routers and switches. So, endpoints. So, deploying and managing these devices is achieved by leveraging code, which is a little bit different from the application developer, which a lot of times is primarily software. So, the goal of an infrastructure developer is really to transform that slow manual process that's often cumbersome into automated, agile workflows that are easy to execute and provide results quickly. So, when we think about some of the examples that infrastructure developers can leverage, it would be ways of being able to make changes across your entire network quickly and easily with things like intent APIs, or grabbing telemetry so that you can quickly make educated decisions, or leveraging things like SDKs so you can incorporate devices across your entire environment, even if they aren't Cisco related. So when we think about what DevNet can offer us, we can explore a myriad of different technologies. And these technologies also come with sandboxes. So not only are we looking at providing a rich education, we're also giving you the ability to test out some of these features, incorporate some of your code, see how things work across all these different platforms so that you can make better decisions and you don't have to buy a lab for every single piece. And you can find out if you really like a product or not. So some of these examples could be, for example, cloud. Maybe we're trying to figure out ways to leverage Intersight so that you can come in and incorporate things like Kubernetes or Terraform or Ansible so you can provide that cloud ops piece to your on-prem solutions. And we have sandboxes that can help you down that journey. You can also take it into the IoT space. And from here, you can go into the Dev Center. Maybe you're looking at leveraging management and operation. You're interested in Control Center and you want to see how Control Center can help with the life cycle of your IoT devices and provide information on how they're doing in that in between time from beginning to end. We have an overview documentation and as well as a sandbox for you to go and play. If you were looking at security, you could easily come in and start seeing that security is a vast landscape. But here we have a dev center as well, where I can come in and start asking simple questions like, hey, how do I secure my network with automation? And I can quickly understand that ICE is going to leverage REST APIs and can help accumulate real time information. And I can do a deeper dive and again find another sandbox so that I can play around with the information and digest it properly. So we can see that we've got a lot of different technologies. We've got a lot of different playgrounds to jump into, but where are we in our journey through DevOps? A lot of us are new and fresh and trying to figure out what APIs and SDKs may be and how that fits in my role. And we may have other veterans who are really looking for some of those different versions of code and they want to talk with other people and collaborate. Wherever you are in your journey, DevNet has a spot for you. So whether you're starting new and you're fresh and you're looking for inspiration and trying to figure some things out, we could talk about coding and APIs as well as networking 101 so that you can begin your journey. If you're taking another step and you want to do a deeper dive into a specific product, we have learning tracks that can help provide modules as well as labs to help educate you down your path. We have video courses. So if you're trying to figure out maybe what programmability is, what that means, what SDKs are, or APIs, you can come here and find the appropriate videos to help you provide some understanding. And then we can top that off with things like our sandbox, as we discussed. We have a code exchange, which is incorporated with GitHub so that you can collaborate with people as well as share your own code. And then we have an ecosystem exchange that's built to show all of the different third-party integrations so that you can see how we play with other people as well in this space. One other piece that I'd like to bring up as well is that DevNet Create is right around the corner. So this is a virtual event that's taking place October 19th through the 21st, and it's for any and everybody, whether you're green to the field and you're trying to figure out more about application or infrastructure, developers. We have a story here for you. We have classes here for you. We have training here for you. If you've been doing this for a while and you're looking for inspiration, this is a great way to collaborate and get some more technical resources. So there's been plenty of sessions for everybody, no matter where they are inside their journey. So please come join us. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. And all the information that I spoke about here, you can find at developer.cisco.com. I'll put some more information in the video description, but you can find everything that I talked about, plus a whole lot more. I hope that you found this useful. Thanks so much for your time and have a great day. Bye-bye.